I think it's really important that children see that both mum and dad can earn money, be financially independent, be professionally successful, and also bring up happy, secure, confident children. They will grow up into adults who will recreate that in their families. 30 years down the line, the person who is going to remember what I did was my son.
By feeling good with yourself as a person, you can be a better partner. You create a good environment also for your children to grow in, balanced, serene environment. And of course this in the end translates also in a better job performance. Having a child is really hard. It can be stressful, it can be tiring. So use these opportunities. Don't be ashamed to telework, don't be ashamed to take your parental leave. And in my personal experience, it has helped a lot.